That woman who's got a deep sense of awareness of all that they possess in order to conquer their world. A New African woman is that woman with the confidence and the drive to be able to do exploits in all fields of human endeavor. A New African woman is a woman who places so much emphasis on knowledge and therefore considers education and the fastest tool for social and economic progress. The New African woman is the ever committed woman to her community, to her state, to her family, to her nation, to the world. The New African woman is not held by the standards of her own community. She's a global citizen, capable of achieving anything that she sets her mind to achieve. And the New African woman understands the power of collectivism, and so she reaches out to other women and works with other women to remove the barriers that stand in the way of the greatness of those women that need a hand to take them up.